So in 7b, once again we have to solve the equation. So obviously we first need to expand here and simplify. So expand to 2x and you get 2x times x, which is 2x squared, and 2x times 4, which is 8x. So make sure this 2x hits both these terms. And here we have that x plus 4. Now recall when we solve these equations, we have one side with all the variables and the numbers, and on the other side we had 0. So that's what we need to do here. So bring everything to the left side. So subtract both sides by x, and we get 2x squared plus 8x minus x, and subtract both sides by 4, and we get minus 4 here, and then on the right side we have 0. Now we can collect these terms. So that's 2x squared plus 7x minus 4 equal to 0. Now we can factor and set each factor equal to 0. So we need to factor this. So what are two numbers whose sum, so S for sum is 7, and whose product, P for product, is 2 times minus 4, which is minus 8. Well, we know that 8 times minus 1 equals to minus 8, and 8 minus 1 equals to 7. So the two numbers are minus 1 and 8. So we decompose the middle term. So plus 8x minus 4 equals to 0. Now we factor in groups, these two and these two. So from the first two, we can factor out in 2x. And we're left with an x. And 2x goes into 8x 4 times, so that's plus 4. Here factor out a negative, and we get x plus 4. Perfect. They're the same thing. So we could factor in x plus 4. And we're left with 2x minus 1. And the only way this is true is when each factor equals to 0. So when this x plus 4 equals to 0, or when this 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Now all we need to do is isolate for x. So subtract both sides by 4, and we get x equals to minus 4. Here, add both sides by 1. And then divide both sides by 2, and we get x equals to 1 over 2. Which therefore means that for this equation to be true, x has to equal to minus 4, or x has to equal to 1 over 2.